this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy phone without the password. So what you want to do is just turn this off. So go to top right, go to power off. It has to be completely turned off. And this is going to be very specific, but you need a USB cable connected to a computer or a laptop. Now you could try a different device, maybe like a TV or a PlayStation or something like that, but it's got to be connected via USB to a power source. And it says it needs to be connected to computer specifically in the manual. So wait for your phone to be turned off, then plug this in, and you're going to see the charging symbol pop up. Wait for that. So it says charging on here, good. Press the power button, volume up, and hold this down. Now if nothing happens after about 15 seconds, release it and then press them down again. So, okay, I saw that symbol go away. I'm going to release and press those two buttons down again. And now this time it should bring up the Samsung logo. Here it is. Okay, there we go. Now we can unplug this if we don't want it on. And we have the different options on here now. So we can zoom in down here. Use the volume keys to go down and up. And then select Wipe Data Factory Reset. You don't need a password to do this. And then press it. And then going down one more time. And it's going to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy phone. So you can do this without a password very easily. You're going to just have to sign back in with your Google account later on. And everything on your phone now is going to be deleted. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.